So I submitted the grant proposal for FACS classroom updates. So in that I included the stovetop and ranges. So there's 5 kitchens total in my room, so that would be 5 of them, as well as 5 microwaves. And then we also have 2 refrigerators and freezers. Some of them are falling apart. We've had a few labs this year where the stove top would show that it was off, but I came over and it was like very hot. It says it's off, but it's not. And then when we bake things in the oven, some of the things don't get to the right temperature as quickly as recipes say or as they should, and we are crunched for time in here every day, and we need efficient equipment to work and get the job done. Another reason why the FACS lab needs the updates is it not only serves the students that I have in class, but Notre Dame as a whole. They used it for activity week rewards, so getting the kids hyped up and then serving them a breakfast. FCCLA will also use it to create Christmas baskets. We also serve the greater community, so Cape Parks and Rec asked us to partner up with them to help with Spaghetti Day. They asked us to make the desserts, and they serve over 3,000 people, so we have been baking away. Any kind of school function we always have food, we always have prayer, so having that in this classroom would be a huge advancement for the school.